Welcome to ANAARM YouTube channel. Today's topic is Introduction to ANAARM Business 365 ERP. Let me begin by asking you a simple question. Are you still managing your business with spreadsheets, notebooks, or manual records? Many businesses are, and while every business has its own unique way of operating, wouldn't it be better to have an ERP solution that adapts to your business processes instead of forcing you to change the way you work? That is exactly the philosophy behind ANA Business 365 ERP. ANA Business 365 ERP is carefully organized into departments and business functions that reflect how real businesses operate every day. Whether you are involved in manufacturing, production, bakery, food processing, pharmacy, agriculture, wholesale, retail, or general trading, ANAARM Business 365 ERP helps automate the routine tasks, calculations, and business processes required to run your organization efficiently. If your business purchases materials, stores inventory, manufactures products, distribute goods, or sells finished products and services, then ANAM Business 365 ERP is designed for you. The system consists of several integrated business modules such as master data management, inventory management, procurement management, recipe and bill of materials management, production management, and sales management that work together seamlessly to automate and synchronize your daily operations. Rather than operating as isolated departments, these modules communicate with one another, ensuring that information is entered once. Take note, information is entered once and is shared wherever it is needed. This ensures your business benefits from improved productivity, fewer manual errors, real-time reporting, better inventory control, and a more informed business decisions. Beyond automation, ANA Business 365 ERP operationalizes two of the most important concepts in every successful business. They are: one, data flow, ensuring that business information flows intelligently from one module to another without unnecessary duplication. Two, stock flow, ensuring that inventory moves accurately through purchasing, production, and sales while maintaining complete traceability and real-time stock balances. These integrated workflows, such as data flow and stock flow, enable every department to work with the same reliable information, providing a single source of truth across your entire business. In our next video, we shall explore how data flow and stock flow operate across the various modules of ANAARM Business 365 ERP and why they are essential for efficient, accurate, and scalable business operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Then like this video and share with others. Ultimately, please do well to subscribe to ANAARM Business 365 ERP.